Garlic. It's not just for keeping vampires away, folks. Let me tell you, there are some serious benefits to eating garlic every morning. First off, it's a powerhouse of antioxidants. These little cloves are packed with compounds that can help fight off those pesky free radicals and keep your cells healthy. Secondly, garlic is great for your heart. It can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, which means a healthier ticker for you. And if you're looking to boost your immune system, garlic is your best friend. It's been shown to enhance the function of your immune cells, helping you fight off those nasty colds and flus. But wait, there's more. Garlic is also known to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help ease joint pain and reduce inflammation in the body. If you're watching your waistline, garlic can be a secret weapon. It can help regulate blood sugar levels and even aid in weight loss. And let's not forget about its antibacterial properties. Garlic has been used for centuries to fight off infections and keep our bodies healthy and strong. Last but not least, garlic is just downright delicious. So why not start your day with a little extra flavor and a whole lot of health benefits? Trust me, your body will thank you.